Let's quickly go over career highlights. It's a section for a resume that usually pertains to somebody with 10 plus years of experience. It really depends on your background. It's not for entry level folks, but this can be alongside a professional summary. These are usually 3 to 4 bullet points of your biggest wins. This is a great little summary in the form of a video, which basically highlights your biggest accomplishments in your career. Honestly, the stats out there are staggering when it comes to people not having data to back up some of the work that they've done. Try really hard to find this stuff. So, couple of quick statistics that'll fly out at you. You can pause and guess. I'm going to read through them. Percent of people that cannot provide numbers or percentages to specify their accomplishments, percent of resumes that have 5 or more measurable metrics, percent of job seekers added at least one or more sections to their resume, certificates, languages, additional accomplishments. Let's check out the numbers. 81% of people cannot provide numbers or percentages to specify their accomplishments. I get it. Sometimes there is kind of a silo effect, depending on the department that you're in, to know what actually came of all the work that you did. 26% of resumes have 5 or more measurable metrics. 66% of job seekers added at least one or more sections to their resume or CV, and I've listed those there. Again, if you speak additional languages, it is very common in Europe, not as common in the US.